Hey guys, welcome back to SAILOLIVE. My name is Maritza and I'm so happy that you joined me today. I'm in a different setting right now just because I'm not home, but I don't know how the sound is on the camera right now, so I'm sorry if it's uncomfortable, but today I'm testing out the products in my Ipsy bag. They're all on my face and I have something to say, okay? I have something to say. If you guys wanna, okay, it's probably like super bad out here. If you guys want to check what was in my Ipsy bag this week or this month, then just keep on watching. So, what did you think about the new intro? I know, so cool. My friend Alexandria, here is her social media. If you guys want to check her out, she hooked it up with this intro and I love it. So, let me know how you feel about it because I love it. So, Ipsy bag. This month was pretty crazy. This is the bag it came with. I really liked the topic on this Ipsy bag. It was basically called Unzipped. And it's basically about embracing everything that you are. And I thought that was pretty cool, but I have to say I'm not too fond of the bag. Like, I like it from far away, it looks cool, but when you hold it, it just looks kind of cheap. I don't know, but it's cute from far. Now, the first thing that was in my Ipsy bag was this face mask that I did use before, you know, doing my skin. It is with tea tree oil, rose hip extract, and vitamin C, enhances radiant, blah, blah, blah. It was good. It felt good. I like that I didn't have to put it for that long because before I was putting it on, I thought I was going to have it for like 20 minutes, and I was like, I don't know if I would ever use that as an actual primer. Even at 5 minutes, I'm like, I might save this one for some other important thing. It's cool that it came with two, but yeah, I don't know if I would use this every day, but I did like it. It ended up being like super sticky, which is good for your makeup, but it's almost like the stickiness kept going after my makeup, so I don't know. Like, I'm still sticky. And the stinky part about it is that it goes all the way to like, what? It goes all the way to the bottom of your neck, so I'm sticky right here, so I don't know how much I love it, but the concept is kind of cool. A primer as a face mask. I had this super cool brush, and this is it. It's a fluffy brush, and on the other side it is a flat brush. It's a Luxie 249, and I think this one's super cool. It's a small blending brush, so I don't know how much I love how small it is, but it's cool for detail brush. It's just one of those brushes that's nice to have, and I use it according with this Marsk Sydney London eyeshadow. It's a really beautiful silver pigment, and it's called Foiled Again, so that's super cute. I actually fell in love with this. I'm probably gonna go on their website and buy more. Look how shiny this is, guys. Look how shiny. Hello, this is a nice eyeshadow. Very little fallout if you spray it, you know, first. I sprayed the brush, and then I used the Urban Decay All Nighter, and I love the way it looked. You guys can see it worked amazing. It's so shiny. It's like glitter, but I don't know. I've never used maybe they all work like that. I don't know. I just loved it. I also had this Trestique brown. It's in Swiss chocolate pencil. I like it. I think the packaging is cool because it's like a pencil, but you open it and it's like the actual pencil. So I thought that was kind of cute. It blends very nicely. It's very pigmented, and I think it's cool because you never think of having the brown eyeliner. You always have the black or random colors, and having the brown is actually pretty neat because it's like a daytime smoky look. I don't know. I like it. I like it. Moving on to the lips. This is the color Now Dry. To me, it looks very purple more than it does, or maybe on camera, because in person it doesn't look as purple. It's more rosy. I don't know if the light is affecting it. It's a matte lipstick from Ofra. I think it's like a collaboration with Ipsy or something. I like the color. I don't know if I like it right now that I'm looking at it in a camera or something, but I like the color. It just looks weird, and I don't know how I feel about it all together. I don't know, but I love, my favorite thing so far was the eyeshadow. Why do I keep going like this? Like, stop. My favorite thing about the Ipsy bag was this eyeshadow and the brush and the lipstick. I don't know, I just love this Ipsy bag. I thought it was really nice. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bag this month, and if you liked it, if it was better than other ones. How do you feel about the packaging of the bag? Do you think it looks cheap like I did? Or do you actually think it was cool? Let me know what you guys think. Anyways, I love you guys very much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you guys for joining me again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.